Welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Jeep, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Jeep Cherokee. So right now the problem is with the passenger window doesn't want to roll up or down. So I'm gonna press the button down. You can hear the other side, the switch. You can hear clicking, but the window doesn't want to roll up or down. Same thing to this one too, doesn't want to roll up or down. Now I'm gonna open up the door panel to check if the motor is bad or the regulator is jammed. So for the panel here, you're gonna remove the 10mm right here, a Phillip head, and another Phillip head right here, and then for the switch right here, pry it like that, pop it out. There you go. And then for the connector here, you're gonna press on the lock tool. There you go. And then for the door panel, you're gonna pop it out from the bottom. Just shove a pry tool in here and pop it out. It's kind of very hard to pop it because there's a lot of clips. So once you there you go. There you go. I'm gonna move the cable. Oh, there you go. Just like that. You can see all the clips all around. Before I take out the whole panel, I'm gonna check the motor first. I'm gonna take out the motor and check it. So this is T25. There's 3 of them. There you go. So there's 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. There you go. I'm gonna check the motor first. I'm gonna put power into the motor manually. So this one's 2 pins. I'm gonna put my ground lead on this pin. And usually when you touch the pin on this side, there should be a ground. So when you touch the pin on this side, there should be a ground, but this one is a bad one, so the circuit inside is bad. So when I put power in, you're gonna see this motor spin, but this one is dead, is bad. So the circuit is open, so there's no ground, no complete circuit. So there you go, motor is completely dead. I'm gonna switch the pin. I'm gonna switch this one to this side, and I'm gonna power it to see if it spins. Come on. There you go. So I'm gonna touch the pin on this side. Nothing. You can see I'm touching the pin and there's no ground. So I'm gonna put power in, put 12 volt. You can see 12 volt right there, and it's not spinning the motor. So I just confirmed that the window motor is bad. I bought the part from Mopar OEM. This is the part number. The box says made in China, but the new motor says made in US right here. That's kind of weird. But I bought this, my price $185, but if you buy it your price, it would be $240. This one from the old one from the door also said made in China. Kind of weird, but it's the same thing, same brand, same exact everything. It's kind of weird. USA, China box. I'm gonna test my new one the same way as my old one. With the old one, you remember when I touch, so I have my ground pin, ground lead on the other pin, and then when I touch it with the old one, it doesn't give me a ground signal. The new one, it gives me a ground. You see that? So when I touch the side of the pin right here, it gives me ground. So that's mean the circuit in here is good. So now I'm gonna put power in. You're gonna see the motor spin. There you go. You can see. See how it says it's sending ground right there. So it's a complete circuit. So I'm gonna switch this pin to this side. I touch this side of the pin. It's gonna give me a ground, and it's gonna go the opposite direction. You can see. So every time I touch it, there's a ground. If I touch it and there's no ground, that's mean the circuit is bad. So I'm gonna put power in. You're gonna see the motor spin the opposite direction. you go. See that? Every time I put power. So this is good. So I'm gonna put in my new one. Now I got my new window motor in already. Since you're here, check out the motor connector. Check out the pin inside here. Make sure it's not damaged or corroded or bent. Check the wires in the bag. Make sure it's not broken or ripped. If it's good, go ahead and plug it back. There you go. Lock it. I'm gonna check the window motor now too. So I'm gonna key on. So I have the key on. Plug my switch back. Pretty sure it's gonna work. There you go. That's an easy diag. All the way down, all the way up. There you go. I'm gonna check the driver's side motor. Press it down all the way. There you go. Go up. That's it. Now it's working. Just a window motor. Easy diag. Now I'm just gonna put the door panel back. Door panel back in already. I'm gonna try it one more time. Check it one more time. Double checking it. So that's good. I'm gonna check the passenger one more time. That's good. So that's it, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.